launch on August 7, 2025, the Puma Avanti Stitched X FENTY Black and Gold fuses vintage football DNA with Rihanna's modern streetwear flair. Dressed in premium black leather, it features gold contrast stitching, gilded detailing, and a classic fold-over tongue, nodding to retro athletic roots. The translucent rubber outsole provides both traction and old-school appeal. Balancing minimalism with bold accents, this silhouette is a statement piece for sneakerheads and fashion lovers alike. Subtle FENTY branding adds a signature Rihanna touch, while its sleek design ensures it stands out on city streets. As part of Rihanna's continued impact on sneaker culture, this 2025 release highlights elevated, sport-inspired style with undeniable confidence. Retailing for $120, the Avanti X FENTY Black and Gold will be available through Puma.com and select retailers, cementing itself as a standout chapter in the FENTY legacy.